Get ready for dictation. One, two, three, start. Yesterday, at the same venue, I addressed the big industrialists. Today, I am addressing a gathering of entrepreneurs engaged in small scale industries. The word small does not augur well with industrialists, but it aptly refers to industry. While addressing the big industrialists, I mentioned about the small scale industry. Whatever I said yesterday, I would like to quote: We intend to give vastly higher policy attention to the small scale industry and the Bhagidari sector, as these are important source of self employment. I had dwelt at length on the problems of the small scale industry. I again quote: this sector makes highest contribution to the country's GDP. My government will welcome suggestions from the industry organizations as how to provide to this sector critical development inputs such as easy, adequate and timely credit marketing infrastructure and appropriate technology. This delineates mainly issues you confront. I might have missed some points which I intend to put before you in brief. It need not be emphasized how significant small scale industries are in our national economy in the present context. It need not to be emphasized, however, small scale industries have been relegated during the last few years, even in the economic reforms process, which is often widely discussed, and we do support economic reforms in the country. The small scale sector has been lost sight of, and the main thrust of the reforms has been put on the corporate sector. No doubt, the corporate sector opportunities or export potential. We cannot ignore this sector, which occupies a key position. It is therefore essential that this sector has to play an important role in national development. The need of the hour is the nation's development and rapid development in the right direction. The complacency which we witness must be put aside and we must march ahead for facing the challenges. This is what we need. The small scale sector is facing problems of credit availability. We will strengthen NABARD and CIDB and make suitable arrangements to ensure adequate and easy flow of credit. You sell your products to large industries, which include public sector undertakings, but it takes quite a long time for realizing your dues. The government will lay down a time frame within which you must get your payment.